General knowledge questions on President of India with their name, service period, and from political party which they belonged at the time of becoming the President of India. Question: Who was our first president and what was his term period? The right answer is Rajendra Prasad. He started from 26 January 1950 till 13 May 1962. Question: Who was the second president of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He started from 13th May 1962 till 13th May 1967. Question: Who was the third president of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Zakir Hussain. He started from 13 May 1967 till 3 May 1969 and he died in his office. How many people acted as the President of India after Zakir Hussain and what was their term period? The correct answer is first V.V. Giri. He acted from 3rd May 1969 till 20 July 1962 and after him Muhammad Hidayatullah. He served from 20 July 1969 till 24 August 1969. Who was the fourth President of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is V.V. Giri. He started from 24 August 1969 till 24 August 1974. Tell me in the comment section what is the full form of V.V. Giri. Who was the fifth President of India and what was his term period? The answer is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. He started from 24 August 1974 till 11 February 1977. He too died in his office. Who served as the acting President of India after the death of Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad? The correct answer is Basappa Danappa Jati. He started from 11 February 1977 till 25 July 1977. Who was the sixth President of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. He started from 25th July 1977 till 25th July 1982. Question: Who was the seventh President of India and what was his term period? Answer is Gyani Zail Singh. He started from 25th July 1982 till 25th July 1983. Question: Who was the eighth President of India and what was his term period? Answer: Ramaswamy Venkat Raman. He started from 25th July 1987 till 25th July 1992. Who was the ninth President of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Shankar Dayal Sharma. He started from 25th July 1992 till 25th July 1997. Question: Who was the 10th President of India and what was his term period? The answer is K.R. Narayanan. He started from 25th July 1997 till 25th July 2002. Question: Who was the 11th President of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He started from 25th July 2002 till 25th July 2007. Question: Who was the 12th President of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Pratibha Patil. She started from 25th July 2007 till 25th July 2012. Question: Who was the 13th President of India and what was his term period? The correct answer is Pranab Mukherjee. He started from 25th July 2012 till 25th July 2017. Question: Who was the 14th President of India and what was his term period? The 14th President of India is Ramnath Kovind. He is our current president. He started from 25th July 2007. Question. Name all the acting presidents of India. First, Gopal Swarup Pathak. Second, Muhammad Hidayatullah. Third, Krishna Kant. Fourth, Behroon Singh Shekhawat. Fifth, Muhammad Hamid Ansari. He served for 2 times as the acting president. Fifth, Venkesh Naidu. Question. Name all the presidents who came from Indian National Congress Party. The answers are: first, Rajendra Prasad. Second, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Third, B.D. Jati. Fourth, Gyani Zail Singh. Fifth, R. Venkat Raman. Sixth, Shankar Dayal Sharma. Seventh, K.R. Narayanan. Eighth, Pratibha Patil. Ninth, Pranab Mukherjee. Question. Name all the presidents who belong to Bharatiya Janata Party. The correct answer is Ramnath Kovind. Question. Name all the independent candidates who became President of India. Their names are: first, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Second, V.V. Giri. Third, Zakir Hussain. Fourth, APJ Abdul Kalam. Question. Name the first and only woman President of India. The correct answer is Pratibha Patil. Question. Name the longest serving President of India. The correct answer is Ramaswamy Venkat Raman. Question. Name the shortest serving President of India. He is Zakir Hussain. Question. Name the first president who was born after independence. The answer is: till now no president was born after the independence. Question. Who appoints the President of India? President of India is elected by elected members of both the houses, elected members of Legislative Assembly of States and Union Territory of Delhi and Pod. Question. Which article of the Indian Constitution says that there shall be a President of India? Tell me your answer in the comment section and I'll pin the right answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned something new from this video with me. So let's meet in another video. And before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel. And don't forget to give a like. Jai Hind.